Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Namaslina binti Al-Akbar and my ID number is AM2111010352. So now I'm going to explain about case and example of the aphasia. So there are two types of aphasia, which are Wernicke and Broca'S aphasia. So what is Wernicke aphasia? People must be wondering on the meaning of Wernicke aphasia and what's the behind story of Wernicke aphasia. Wernicke aphasia is another name for receptive aphasia. It happens when the area of your brain that control language called Wernicke area is damaged. And then this condition is also called sensory aphasia or fluence aphasia. For example, people with this type of aphasia have damage to their brain temporal lobe. As a result, they are sometimes unable to comprehend what others are saying, but are able to speak in long sentences. Plus, they speak with regular rhythm and grammar, which is their communication doesn't follow standard grammar patterns and use made up words. But words that they use don't make sense and they don't realize what they're saying. What they're saying is nonsense for them. For instance, you might be able to see or hear words but not understand them. Let us move to the Broca'S aphasia. So Broca'S aphasia is also known as oppressive aphasia because it is non-fluent aphasia, which causes individual to speak slower than any person. For example, people with Broca'S aphasia have trouble saying words but can understand language. They can form ideas and know what they want to say, yet they can't form sentence. Broca'S aphasia happen when the brain's frontal lobe suffer damage. For example, people with Broca'S aphasia often feel frustrated due to being able to comprehend what others are saying but unable to express themselves. I had done a case related to Broca'S and Wernicke aphasia. So I found a case related with Broca'S aphasia, which is Louis Victor Lebegin, commonly known as Tan, was a French patient who came to the attention of Paul Broca'S in the mid-19th century. Basically, Tan had difficulty speaking and could only produce a single word, which is Tan, hence his nickname. He seemed to understand language reasonable well, but he struggled to form sentence. This condition is now known as Broca'S aphasia, characterized by non-fluent speech and difficulty in forming grammatically correct sentence. It's typically associated with damage to a specific area of the brain known as Broca'S area, which is located to the left frontal lobe. But for Wernicke aphasia, in contrast to Tan, another patient examined by Carl Wernicke demonstrated a different type of language impairment in Wernicke aphasia. Patients can produce fluent speech but have difficulty understanding language and often produce incoherent and nonsensical sentences. This condition is associated with damage to a brain region known as Wernicke area, located in the left temporal lobe. So that's all from me. Thank you.